going to demonstrate the corded single crochet stitch pattern. It's an unusual stitch pattern, but it's really easy to learn. I'll be using American crochet terminology throughout. Corded single crochet can begin with any multiple of chains. I'll single crochet in the second chain from hook. So the loop on my hook does not count as a stitch. There's my first chain, there's my second chain. Single crochet in the second chain from the hook, and then in each chain across. At the end of row 1, I single crochet in the last stitch, turn and chain 1, and then single crochet in each stitch across. There's my chain, there's my first single crochet. So I'm single crochet in every stitch all the way across. At the end of row 2, I turn, chain 1, and then single crochet in the next stitch in the row below all the way across. Well, what does that mean? There's my chain 1, there's my single crochet. Normally I would put a single crochet right here under 2 loops, but instead I'm going to go down to where the previous stitch came out and put my hook in there and single crochet. So I'm basically single crocheting over the row I just did. Here's my next stitch. I'm going to go into the row below. You can see there's kind of a little hole here for me to see where to put it. What I'm doing when it says the row below, it means the row below I would normally work into. In other words, this is the row below where I am, but it means the row below where I would normally work. So I am working over this row that I just made, over row 2, and working into row 1 stitches. And what that does is it creates almost a corded look to the single crochet because you've got a double layer of fabric going on here. And as you work it, you can kind of feel like it feels like a cord. Here I am on the last stitch, working into the row below. And you can see it almost looks like I just have 2 rows because that last row was worked over row 2. For row 4, I'm going to turn, chain 1, and then single crochet in each stitch across. So this is just a plain row. I've completed 4 rows. I will turn and chain 1, and then I'm just repeating rows 2 through 4 for the pattern. So row 2 is another plain single crochet row. Basically, the pattern is a 3-row repeat so that I am working 2 plain rows of single crochet and then that row of working into the row below. So I can quickly learn my pattern stitch by saying, okay, there's my corded row. I have a wrong side row and a right side row, wrong side single crochet, right side single crochet. I know now when I turn and chain 1, I need to cover that row. I'm looking at the wrong side of single crochet, so I'm working into the stitch below all the way across. If you'd like more instruction like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check out the links in the video notes for more ways you can find me. Thanks for watching.